What seeds can you sow in August for a autumn crop? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to share with you the seeds that you can sow this month in August, ready for growing throughout the autumn period. So make sure you've got a notebook and make a note of this. Also, click the save button to save it to watch back later, and feel free to share it to anybody into allotment groups, gardening groups, so that more people get sowing this month. So first up on the list is Christmas potatoes. Now, Christmas potatoes are amazing. Before, they didn't used to have seed potatoes at this year, but it's getting more and more popular to grow Christmas potatoes. So have a look online, look in the garden centres and purchase some Christmas potatoes. Now, what you need to do is you need to sow them in tubs inside a polytunnel, as the cold will kill them when it gets to late September, October time, when the late nights and the cold nights get frosty and you don't want them killing off the plants. So sow them in tubs and keep them in the polytunnel, keep them watered, and you will be harvesting a crop at Christmas time. Next up is beetroot. Now, you need a fast growing variety because the warmer weather is starting to go towards the end of August, September time. So you need a fast variety that'll grow like Boltardy, which is absolutely amazing. Next up is radish. Now, radish always grows really fast. So if you're wanting to add something to your salads, sow some radish and you will be able to get some great crops in just a few weeks. Next up is spring onion. Now, spring onion will grow fast. If you sow some now, you will be harvesting them pretty soon. They don't take ages to grow. Hopefully you'll get a harvest by end of September, October time, and you will be able to have them in salads. They might not be massive, but you will certainly get a good crop of spring onions. Next up is turnips. Now, turnips are quite fast at growing, so you'll be able to harvest them around the end of October, November time. So if you love your turnips, get some sown, because now is the perfect time to grow your turnips. Next up is spinach. Now, spinach usually likes to bolt during the hot weather time. So as it's starting, hopefully it'll start cooling down towards the end of August time. But you can sow some spinach now and you will be able to keep getting continuous leaves for your meals if you like spinach. Next up is lettuce. Now, you need to pick a late variety of seeds if you're wanting to grow some. There's plenty of winter varieties of lettuce out there. So if you're wanting some lettuce before the end of the year, get sowing some now and you will be able to get some winter lettuce. Next up is pak choi, something that I've never actually tried growing myself, but I might give it a try this month and see how we get on with it, see if we get some good crops from it, and see what it tastes like, as I've never tasted pak choi either. So yeah, if you're wanting to try something new, give it a try and let me know how you get on. Next up, another one that I've not tried, but I have ordered some seeds. So we're going to give it a try this August time, because I don't usually grow much through the winter period. Usually it's just like garlic and Christmas potatoes. But next up is Chinese cabbage. Now, this sounds very nice and it's good for the colder weather. It's good for through the autumn winter period. So if you're wanting to try something, give it a try and let's grow together and see if we can get some Chinese cabbages growing. And last up is kale. Now, kale can grow through the winter period. It is a tough plant and you can get great crops from it throughout the winter period. So if you're wanting to try something, give kale a go. It's a great vegetable and it can be used in many ways, and it tastes absolutely delicious as well. So give it a try and try kale and see how you get on. Now, I just mentioned garlic. We won't be planting our garlic till October time. So if you're wanting to get ready, get some ordered and get it ready for planting out in October. So this has been your video sharing with you what you can sow in August. And yeah, like I said, feel free to share it out and give it a save. Leave a comment below and let me know what you're sowing this month down at the allotment garden. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.